hate the dark so much. It is so cold here. Shh, Mina, please. I am here. Do not cry. You are safe.
I want the sun back. Please, Leo.
Wake up, old bird. It is too cold tonight.
But Uncle Owl, where can I find light in the dark night?
Leo, my boy. The little one needs light. The cave is too dark. The green light. You must go to the deep canyon.
Find the glowing mushrooms, follow the flying dots.
Wait, Uncle Owl. Do not sleep.
I promise you, Mina. I will bring the light home. I will not fail.
The night is so big and scary. Step by step, Leo.
Oink! Oink! Where are you, Mama? It is too dark. I cannot see the path. Ouch! My nose hurts so much. I hate the dark. I want to go home right now. Brrr, this water is like ice.
1 step, 2 steps.
Careful, Leo. Ribbit! Ribbit! Oh my goodness! What is that? Ribbit! 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 Help! Oh no! Wait! Please stop! It is too loud! Whoa! Oh!
Ouch! My nose hurts. Whew, that was close.
They are just noisy frogs, not monsters. Just frogs. This box of leaves is so small. I have to squeeze through here. It is very tight. Achoo! Oh, the water is freezing! I do not like this place. It is too cold.
The green light is in the canyon. I must not stop.
Leo, where are you? Please come back.
Oh, the poor baby. Leo must hurry. Be brave, little fox.
I did it. I passed the dark leaves. Phew. Wow. This looks very dangerous. How can I cross this? They look like scary tentacles. I do not like this. Oh! Oh no! What is that loud noise?
Is it a giant monster? Is it the scary shadow? It is an angry beast! It will eat me!
I must run away! I want to go back home!
Wait, the moon is very bright now. Look at that.
Mama! Please help me. I am stuck. The mud is pulling me down. It is so so cold! Wah! Hey, down there! You are not a scary shadow! Huh? Who is talking?
I am Bumba. I hate the dark so much.
I cannot see anything! Pull me out, please!
We are both scared of the dark, Bumba. Do not cry. Wait right there, Bumba. I will find something to help.
The magic light is up there. I must climb.
Ouch! This rock is very sharp. Jump, Leo, jump!
Phew, I am so tired. 1, 2, 3, push!
Whoa! It is so high! Do not look down, Leo! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Keep looking up. I am doing this for Mina.
Oof! I made it! I am at the top!
That was harder than I thought.
Wow! It is so beautiful! The magic green light! The magic green light! It is so soft. It makes my heart feel safe.
Grrr! Snap! I got one. These will help Bumba see.
1, 2, 3! I need a lot of them.
Careful, Leo. Do not drop the magic light.
Bumba! Look up here! I brought the magic light! Wow! What is that beautiful green thing? Blop! Blop!
Here comes the light staircase, Bumba.
Look at that! The fireflies are here to help! Wow! I can see my feet now! The light is so pretty! I love it!
Come on, Bumba. Follow the green path up here.
I will try my best, brave fox.
Slurp! Oh, that is hard! This mud is heavy!
This root is strong. I can climb now.
Poof! Poof! Thud! I am out! I am finally free! I am free from the sticky mud! Hooray! Hablaff!
Thank you, brave little fox. You are my hero. Ha ha! Stop it. That tickles. You are making me all dirty. You are welcome.
I must go home now. My sister is crying.
Goodbye, Leo. Thank you again. Be safe, Bumba.
Hurry up. Mina needs this magic light.
The scary shadows are just normal leaves. Ha ha!
Splash! 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 I am almost home.
Ribbit? Wow, what a pretty green light. Goodbye, frogs. Have a good night.
Hoot! You did it, my brave boy.
I found the magic light, Uncle Owl.
You helped a friend. The forest is proud.
Thank you, Uncle Owl.
This hole is small. I am back.
Leo, it is still so dark. Where are you? Look, Mina. I brought the sun back for you. Gasp. Wow. It is so beautiful. The scary dark is gone. I love the magic light. You are the bravest fox in the world, Leo.
I am always here for you, Mina.
The dark is only scary when we do not understand it. We just need a little bit of light and love.
Listen. Bumba found his mother. Everyone is safe now. Who else is lost in the dark and needs our glowing magic next? Tell us below.